This is the sea view cabin on Virgin Voyages Brilliant Lady. This cabin does have a vanity with a mini fridge, a mat for your curling iron, and finally the room can be controlled with this iPad here. All cabins are smart enabled, meaning you can control various features in your room via that iPad. There is not a terrace on this room, but there is a little bench for you to sit on. The Sea View cabin does come with all the essentials included with the Virgin Voyage. If you haven't already, you can watch my full ship tour of the Brilliant Lady and get my thoughts on that, or you can continue to watch other room tours that I've done on the Brilliant Lady here. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and until the next adventure, keep exploring.